having a look.
बिल्कुल जरूरी है. यामी this one's for you. Please tell me, you know, working with this actor here, this gentleman, जब casting होती है, हम बड़े excited हो जाते हैं कि यामी को और इमरान को एक साथ देखने वाले हैं हम. For you, how was it when this idea was actually shared with you कि उनके opposite cast हो रही हैं?
पहली बात सबको थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. और आपके जो ख्यालात हैं जो सब लाइटिंग को लेके यहाँ संतोष सिंह बने हुए थे, वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. Coming to a question, Nitin, there are always some emotions, there are always, you know, some feelings which are very difficult to express, especially for a film. जो भी पहली बार मेरे पास आई, हमने डिस्कस किया सुपर्ण और रेशु, they were the first ones. बहुत खास. Of course मन कर रहा है बहुत कुछ कहने का, पर बहुत कुछ कह भी नहीं सकते. और जब मुझे बताया गया कि इसमें इमरान है साथ में, मुझे I really could not picture anybody else but Imran. I've always been fan of his acting. I've always been fan of how Imran has carried himself through and through his career in an industry where it's all about, you know, more PR and then rest of the things we'll see. But to be loved by everyone across all generations, and still whenever people are waiting for him to come back, and I think not come back, but people are always waiting for him to watch his films, you know, his performance, his music and everything. And that's a true blue star in my opinion, right? And when you watch the film, you won't see Imran anywhere. What he's given to Abbas as an actor, we're always feeding off each other's energy. It's not that we have multiple workshops or multiple readings or anything, but he was so on point. And I'm always a fan of someone who's not just a brilliant actor, but a really good professional artist. They could be do different things, you know, at times. Always on time, always respectful of everybody, and comfortable, secure. What else do you need? It's not about you crack 4 jokes and that's my most favorite co-actor. No, for me, that's not the definition. So sincere for his work, Imran. And if Imran's suggesting me something for my part, I would take it very seriously. Yeah, no, he's right. Maybe I didn't think from that perspective. So thank you, Imran, for agreeing to be part of this film and giving me a very, very memorable chance and opportunity.
Thank you for those wonderful words. The check is in the mail.
For you, you know, again, the same question.
There's a call from Jungli. I'm very happy, especially for what Amrita said, because of what they bring to the table, what they bring for all of us to watch, to be a part of. So that's always a given with Jungli, and that's such a blessing to be called to do something like that. So yeah, and this team, Suparn I worked with before, but yeah, it was just exceptionally wonderful to be a part of this team for this particular story, which I feel just really, I'm just so happy this film has gotten made and that we all are going to get to see it very soon. This film.
7 November when we go and watch this movie. सर आप बताइए, बहुत सारी प्यार की बात हो गई, लेकिन वो अल्टीमेट फेस ऑफ की जो बात है, मुझे बताइए सर, थोड़ा ऐसा मसालेदार कुछ हुआ हो सेट्स पे, कोई लड़ लिया हो, प्रोफेशनलिज्म सर कैसे, मतलब उसी की बात कर रहे हैं इतनी देर से.
प्रोफेशनलिज्म की अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं तो जो भी ड्रामा होना था